Hello guys, this is Sahib from TECHIE TWEAKS. Welcome to the speed test comparison between the K6 Power and 3S Prime. As you can see, there is a slight amount of difference between the timings because I am doing this speed test on our channel for first time. So sorry for that. And as you can see, even after being late, the K6 Power is catching up quite well. The processing speeds are equal. It will be really interesting to see the speed of K6 Power because it is having a 1080p panel, and Subway Surface launches a little bit faster on the K6 Power, which is on the left side. On the right hand side we are having a Redmi 3S Prime, which is also doing a fantastic job. So now we are running the Temper 2, and I think Temper 2 is loaded faster on the K6 Power. Yes, it is, although there is a little bit of difference, but I have to appreciate the optimization done by Lenovo because it is also having a 1080p panel. So Adreno 505 has to push a lot more pixels. And here is a swap of apps because I accidentally opened the camera on Redmi 3S Prime instead of YouTube, but it is just a swap, so there is no difference in applications, so it will not make any difference in the speed test. So now we are opening the Share It app and now play music on K6 Power. The Redmi 3S Prime is catching up quite well, and I am impressed with both the devices, but K6 Power is impressing me a lot because it is much faster even with the high resolution display. So it has finished the first round in 1 minute 31 seconds, and Redmi 3S Prime has taken 5 seconds more, which is very negligible. So as you can see, we have to resume now, so we'll start again. And Subway Surface is in memory on both the devices, and Temper 2 also is in memory. Moving on to the other apps like Facebook, Instagram, etc. As you can see, the RAM management or the multitasking on both the devices is really good. So I have to give the speed test to the K6 Power. All the devices are memory in, all the apps are in memory in both the devices. Very well done. So guys, now we'll do the fingerprint speed test of this device. As you can see, they both have the fingerprints on the back. So what I'll do is I have configured both these fingers on both these devices. So once I'll open with these fingers and then I'll swap, so you can have a better idea. So let's get started. 1 2 3. So as you can see, both were really quick. Now let me just change my hands. So guys, as you can see, now I have changed my hand. K6 Power is in this hand, and on right hand side we have the Redmi 3S Prime. So on count of 3 we'll touch the fingerprint scanners. So as you can see, both the smartphones were really quick, but K6 Power has a slight edge. Now we'll do the benchmarking test, and I'll fast forward and skip the parts of this test. So as you can see, I have started the process on both the devices on same time. So let's get going. Guys, as you can see, on both the devices the test is 97% complete. So we have to give credits to the Lenovo K6 Power, and as you can see, the score is more on 44,055, and on Redmi 3S Prime we are getting 43,000, as you can see. So credits must be given to both the devices because this device is actually 3 months old, so it is still doing very good job. And credits to also K6 Power because it's a new device with a 1080p panel on both the devices, which is fantastic job done by both of the devices. So guys, now we'll move to another benchmark. So guys, now we'll be testing with the quadrant benchmark. As you can see, this is the quadrant benchmark. So let's get started on both the devices. So guys, as you can see, the test is completed on both the devices. On K6 Power we have got a score of 21,856, and on the Redmi 3S Prime it is 20,253. After having benchmarks, we'll switch off both these phones and look at which one boots faster. So as you can see, we are doing this. So guys, this is pretty much it from the video. If you have liked the video, hit that like button for more such videos like this, or if you have any feedback for our channel, video request, anything, you can ask me in comment section down below. And guys, if you can share this video with your friends, because it takes a lot of efforts to make these videos, and it will be really appreciable if you can hit the like button and share it with your friends. So let's check the rebooting time, which one is faster, and then we'll end the video. So guys, I have to say both the devices have performed really well. I really like the Redmi 3S Prime because it's my favorite device for the 2015. As you can see how close these two devices are, just a minor difference I will say. And that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll meet in the next one.